Tesla reveals new transparent metal glass for Cybertruck. A prospective battery-electric light-duty truck called the Tesla Cybertruck was unveiled by Tesla Inc. in 2019. With EPA range estimates of 400 to 800 kilometers and a predicted 0 to 100 km/h time of 2.9 to 6.5 seconds, respectively, 3 variants have been released. Tesla's stated intention to create the Cybertruck is to offer a sustainable energy alternative to the roughly 6,500 fossil fuel-powered trucks that are sold each day in the US. Rear-wheel drive (RWD) model of the car will start at a base price of $39,900, while all-wheel drive (AWD) vehicles will cost $49,900. The release dates for the RWD Cybertruck and the dual-motor AWD and tri-motor AWD Cybertrucks were originally set for late 2021 and late 2022, respectively. However, production dates have been repeatedly postponed, and the current estimate for the start of production is mid-2023. Self-leveling suspension is used in the proposed truck to account for varying loads, and certain variants come standard with all-wheel drive. Onboard power inverters for supplying both 120 and 240-volt electricity are listed as additional standard features by the manufacturer, enabling the use of power tools without the need of a portable generator. Pneumatic tools can be powered by an air compressor. According to reports, the exterior stainless steel sheet metal is bulletproof. Additionally, all vehicles are expected to come equipped with Tesla Autopilot and have the hardware necessary for fully autonomous operation. As of 2019, Musk stated that a solar roof option would be available, extending the daily range by 15 miles. Coming to today's subject, you probably still recall the startling event from 2019 when the Tesla Cybertruck glass broke on stage. Many people will never forget that particular moment, and even now, issues regarding the glass's durability and substance continue to be raised. Elon upgraded the Cybertruck with groundbreaking glass that is also used on Starship to address the issues. What precisely is fresh material then? And what innovations has it given the Cybertruck? The nearly unbreakable armor-coated glass on the Cybertruck is one of its standout features. It can withstand powerful impacts. However, the armored glass once more failed the Cybertruck in front of the audience, since the glass on the driver's side immediately fractured and extended all the way to the window's edge. Since then, nobody has been able to stop thinking about that glass. Elon Musk assured the audience that Tesla would replace the armored glass's shortcomings with new material in the future after the unfortunate incident. He claimed that the Cybertruck will innovate with transparent metal glass. Transparent metal is nothing new. In actuality, it has been around for a while. And if you're a Star Trek fan, you'll know that Star Trek IV: The Voyage Home used transparent aluminum. In order to construct an aquarium tank that could carry whales in their spacecraft back to the future while stuck in the 20th century, Scotty needed a lightweight and durable metal. He gave the plexiglass business the transparent aluminum recipe so they could produce it. Yes, transparent aluminum is a fictional thing from a story, but does it mean that it can't also be a real substance? Yes is the answer. Today, it appears that Summit, which asserts to be the only manufacturer of transparent aluminum on the Earth, is the sole commercial provider of transparent aluminum. Since the name transparent aluminum is a bit of a mouthful, the business sells its products under the name Alon. Elon will work with the business to produce glass for the Cybertruck so that it can be made as powerful as possible. Of course, we need to ascertain its precise composition. I'm sure I don't want a man in a trench coat to arrive at my house in the middle of the night. Alon is the transparent ceramic that is created by mixing aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen in the proper ratios. Alon is a ceramic alloy made of aluminum oxynitride, a component of aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen that is also referred to as transparent aluminum armor. To create bricks or slabs, the ingredients are combined, compressed into a shape, then baked at a very high pressure and temperature. Although the final product is largely opaque, processing and polishing turns it into a transparent-looking glass. Is it truly the strongest material for a Cybertruck with such a different production process? Alon is a polycrystalline, transparent ceramic that is utilized in military vehicles as bulletproof glass, since it is thought to be the hardest material of its kind. In comparison to conventional bulletproof glass, Alon is 2 times stronger and weighs half as much. It is also scratch, radiation, and various acids and bases resistant. Even very high temperatures and significant collision won't damage it. According to tests, a laminated pane of aluminum measuring 1.6 inches thick is capable of stopping a .50 caliber rifle round, which is something that even 3.7 inches of conventional bulletproof glass are unable to do. We can see that while the bulletproof laminated glass partially stopped the bullet, it was still able to pass through, but Alon was able to stop it completely. Alon also requires fewer panel replacements and lower material costs because it doesn't chip, scratch, or break as frequently as glass laminate does. Alon's lifespan may be around 70 years longer than that of the Cybertruck itself if collisions are avoided or limited and minor cracks are kept from enlarging and spreading. Transparent metal is a promising contender to be used for the windows of a Cybertruck to protect occupants from things striking an automobile. This is especially appropriate given that the Cybertruck is headed to Mars, where its glass and windshield will eventually be shatterproof from every one of the tiny meteoroids that occupy space's far reaches. Because the windows on the Cybertruck will act as armor, Alon's performance in hypervelocity situations must be evaluated. Micrometeorites and other debris travel at thousands of miles per hour and have a much higher energy content than bullets. The risk of collision increases as more of a vehicle's surface is made up of windows. Consequently, these particular windows must be sturdy. There is so much energy involved when something strikes your window at these speeds that phase changes can occur. In light of Alon's hardness, you could use it, but Dr. Leslie Lamberson, who attends the Colorado School of Mines to study impact physics, advised stacking it with other materials to absorb impacts. Alon works well for the windows of starships that seek out heat and is also helpful for space travel. As technology advances, we might see items like smartphone screens made of clear metal rather than tempered glass in the future. Tesla still has a lot of difficulties with this material though. Alon is pricey. It costs nearly 5 times as much as conventional laminated glass on the armored glass market. Commercial aluminum glass typically costs between $10 and $15 per square inch. Traditional laminated glass, by contrast, costs between $2 and $3 per square inch. Consequently, the price of a 1 square foot panel would range from $1,440 to $2,160. There are no simple or inexpensive production processes. Transparency is impacted by impurities that scatter incoming light. Chemical impurities also cause the final product to be weak, which can result in cracks or other structural flaws. In a similar vein, polishing Alon requires precise equipment that can polish materials that are extremely hard. Therefore, the likelihood that something may go wrong increases with the size of the Alon. The Glass and Material Science Division of Musk's Tesla and SpaceX allows for theoretical independent production. As stated by Musk and demonstrated by the infamous armor glass demonstration on the Cybertruck, both Tesla and SpaceX have a keen interest in and are currently working on tougher glass. Automotive safety organizations such as the Australasian New Car Assessment Program and the Euro NCAP have criticized the Cybertruck's design for not meeting requirements for the safety of pedestrians and cyclists. The truck, in its current form, is unlikely to be street legal in either Australia or the European Union. The high stiffness of the exoskeleton exterior, which results in a lack of crumple zone, as well as the tall, flat front of the truck, which could worsen leg injuries, are 2 particular issues raised by these 2 bodies.